guys, I'm gonna play a little Wicked Wheel, and I'm playing it for my kiddo because my son loves this game. It just has a 1 cent, yes. Max bet's 320. Let's do it. I need my volume up. Sorry about that. This game doesn't work without volume. You need 3 of those Wicked Wheels on the last 3 reels for that wheel spin. Come on, let's do that spin real quick. I would love that. Oh, nice. Nope, didn't. We got that little pot up there. Oh, do it, please. Oh, no. Oh, let's see. Oh, I needed to dump that pot. Ooh, 4 times. Nice. Come on, pot. Keep filling that little sucker. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that was a nice little win. $16. I want that Wicked Wheel, though. I played this at Kashada in the slot showdown, and I did really well on this max bet. So you gotta get that spin. Come on. I'm not giving this more than 100. I can't. Come on, little pot. Oh, I got 2 that time. Nice. Still didn't make it do its thing, though. Oh, where's my wheel spin? I need my wheel spin. No. Come on. You owe me a wheel spin. Nice, $12 win. I love the music on this. Fun fact about this little game, I'll tell you in a minute. Alright, the reason I don't get a copyright when it sings Hot Stuff, it says not Donna Summer singing it. Michael from Every told me it was his friend Rainier that sings it, so that's kind of cool. I'm stupid, we're going another 100. I want that wheel spin. And if I do not get it in another 100, Every, I'm coming after you. I've played your games all day today and I got nothing. Played that new one, the new Wicked Wheel. I played Cash Machine is in Every, and then this one, and I'm not doing any good. I actually played this one because it's my son's favorite. Oh, come on. Give it to me one time. And my pot is really full. It should have already dumped by now. Woo. Until I'm at the Cosmo, people screaming. Got some diamonds for $7.20. Wicked Wheel, you are wicked. You're not nice at all. More spins, guys, and I'm off. Well, if you like Wicked Wheel, more power to you. It is not my game. It's not nice to me. I don't know what else to do. I gave it $200 and nothing. Alright guys, that was Wicked Wheel. Alright guys, I am at Dragon Spin. There is the progressives on this game. This is Texas Boy's favorite game. I'm gonna play it for him. Goodness, I don't want, we'll do a 1 cent and we will do, let's do a 250 bet. And let me make sure my volume's up. For the bonus. Always like wilds for 30 whole cents. This is one of those games oh, I'm good, thank you. I get a lot of requests for this game. And I did play it on my live at Kashada. Did okay. Oh, that should be good. $15. Anyway, played it at Kashada. Did really well. Got a good bonus, but I did get the bonus, so I got those green things. Got it. Yes. All right. This could be good. Let me see if I need to zoom out some. I can't remember. I think I do. Look up. Alright, come on. Oh, it's up there. Okay. We got Raining Wilds. I don't remember what this one is, but we're going to press start. Let's go. Oh, that's a lot of wilds. Come on, be good. Kings, hey, that's okay. How many spins do we get? We got 4 more left. That was $7.45. Oh, but it's still going. Oh, that was from the other. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to learn all this game. All right. It's Raining Wilds, and it is raining in the game. All right, I'm going to hit the button because I'm just lazy, and I don't want to wait. Go Wilds, go Wilds. Oh, that isn't very many. We need something good in the middle. Okay, we got aces. All the way across. Hey, that's $21.90. That was a good one. We're going to hit it because, again, I don't have patience. Oh, look at all those wilds. Oh, my goodness. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's really good. Well, good. $34.20. Come on, lots more. Oh, something good there. Oh, this is good. Right? $15.85. Why is not good? This is the last one. Oh, green guy, green guy, green guy. Yeah. $12.50. Hey. $94.40 bonus. Oh, this is cool. Good win. spin, dragon spin. Okay, let's try something different. Let's do a 250. Let's do a $5 bet. Why not? Take it down to 200. Oh, 660. Let's get that bonus again. That was fun. Nope. Can we get the bonus again, dragon spin, one more time? It was a nice little bonus. I liked it. I love it when a line hit is 20 cents. Sorry about that. Hit it too many times. Alright, we're almost done. If I don't get the bonus in a couple spins, I'm out of here. Alright, last spin. You know what? I think we can do a $2 bet. Yeah, let's try that. Nope, that's it. Alright, that was Dragon Spin at the Cosmo. Alright guys, brought my $200 ticket over. Gonna do a 5-cent denom and 375 bet. On luxury line, let me get the volume up. On luxury line, I'll show you the major in just a second. Okay. That major is 1758, which is why I'm playing the Buffalo one. Not a fan of the Buffalo one. I like the Lions better. But when the major's that high, gotta play the one with the highest major. Come on, trains. Come on, trains. We need trains, or we need 3 of those coins. That was not nice. I'm just not feeling this game. I just don't like the Buffaloes. Anything that has to do with Buffaloes, I tend to lose at. And last one. Buffalo! Maybe we got a little bit more. $20. Okay, we'll keep playing a little bit longer. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got the minor train. We got the minor train. Yes, get the minor. They're small. Come on, come on. Something big. Be the minor on the end. Minor on the end. Please, minor. Come on, minor. 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 Oh, that's it. Oh. Man, the minor would have made it so much better. Wow, we won $32.25. worst trains I've ever had. I guess I should be grateful. It at least gave me a train. Okay, $8. Okay, I am so done. All right.